Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to this computer unboxing. I ordered one of those new space-age technological gadgets, called that Mac Mini, the 2018 version. It must be small if a computer fits inside this box here. I mean, who puts a computer inside this small, tiny little box? Well, let's take a look at this technological marvel and see what it looks like inside. Now listen. Don't be a sissy and get a real knife like this guy here. Get a big one, alright? Like Crocodile Dundee or something, alright? And what we're gonna do is we're gonna open this bad boy up. So let's start right here. Oh yeah, that's sweet. Let's just take it over here like this. Make sure. Oh yeah, there we go. Alright, now we're opening it up. Oh, sweet molasses, that's nice, right there. Oh my goodness, look how they pack this thing, it's fantastic. Yeah, guys, looks so pretty, can I touch it? Dag nabbit, Bill. You need to calm yourself, alright? I'm sorry about that, folks. Well, look at that guy in there. Oh man, he looks pretty sweet. You know what I mean? Now let's get into it here and put this box over here like that. Let's take a look and see what's in here. What do you say? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's sweet right there. So you gotta pull that off right there, and let's check it out and see what's inside. Oh yeah. So right there you got your tab. You just kind of pull up on it there and pull that baby out, as you can see. And so we're gonna pull this guy. Oh yeah, there we go. And as you can see, so let's get a nice look over here. So that baby looks pretty sweet, as you can see.
Take it from me, the self-proclaimed genius right the bidet. This thing is alright. Alright,
now we're gonna rip this baby off, kind of like a Pringles can, if you know what I mean. So let's take it over here. Oh yeah, that's nice right there. Comes off nice and smooth. Oh, sweet mother, that's nice. Alright, well, now my buddy Boomhire is going to come in here and take a look at some of these.
Oh man, tell you what there, man, got the power button here, man, got power cord, Ethernet, man, got some Thunderbolts, you know what I'm saying, man, got the HDMI, man, you got 3.5mm jack, man, right up in here, man. I'll tell you what there, man, that shoot, woo, man, I'll tell you what there, man, got that, that's black right there, man, tell you what.
McQueen! I'm just kidding. So what that fellow here was trying to say was, you got your power button right there, you got the power cord right there, you got the Ethernet right there, you got 4 of these here Thunderbolt 3 USB-C ports, you got your HDMI right there, you got 2 USB 3 ports there, and you got the 3.5mm headphone jack right there. Shoot.
Alright, as you can see here, it's got this sweet Apple logo right here on the top. Oh, it feels real nice. And then you turn this baby over, and now looks like a old hot plate you used to have back in the day. You used to heat up your mac and cheese on that baby right there.
Smeagol wants the precious new Mac Mini. No, yes, sweet precious.
Less sweet! What's sweeter than sweet? The sweet, delicious look at this Apple Mac Mini. Oh yeah!
Space gray. It should be all black. Bat black. But that's my thing, I guess. Did that flying space boy have something to do with this? Did he? I bet you he was behind it. At least, the cord is all black, as you can see right here. Ah, there we go. All black. Bat black, that's my thing. Got it?
Ah, the Batman! No, the Superman is not here, only me. You think it should be black. You merely adopted the dark. I was born in it, molded by.
Alright, friends. Now, as far as the processor, I went with the cream of the crop, the cock of the walk. The 6-core Intel Core i7 3.2 GHz processor with turbo boost up to 4.6 GHz. Yeah, that's right. Wow. Alright, so take a look. Right in here, you got this little cute pamphlet thing. And inside is a little bit of reading material, you know, for when you're on the toilet or something else. You never know when you're gonna need it. Alright. So, and then you got a few stickers, you know, to put on your car or whatever, really. It's great. Yeah, it's wonderful.
Let's take a look at the size of this thing here. As you can see, Lil Sweet let me use his gloves. He had no problems there. And there are no problems getting them in there whatsoever. Okay, so it is 7.7 by 7.7. It's like a little square with nice rounded corners. And it's the same size as the last model, okay? It's fantastic, so great. Okay, now look at this thing in my huge hands, okay? These huge hands of mine, okay? No problems there whatsoever, okay? Fantastic, so great.
The Mac Mini's changed the way we look at computers here today. I sure hope you like the sleek and beautiful curves on this beautiful piece of technological marvel. Now, before we go, I'm gonna make sure I close up this gargantuan knife that make sure no one gets hurt, okay? Here we go. Alright, fantastic. It has a lot of great features that I know you're going to love. And I know it will become a favorite in your family. Thank you for joining us here today, and we look forward to seeing you at one of our Apple stores.
Hey guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video with the character voices. I tried to do something different with the unboxing and using the character voices. It was hard for me to do the voices and talk about the product at the same time, but hey, it was fun and hopefully you enjoyed it and got a kick out of it. So far the computer has been really great. It's been really fast. I did get the highest processor, the i7 6-core 3.2 gigahertz processor, which seems really fast compared to the 2015 MacBook Pro I've been using for a little while now, because my 2012 MacBook Pro started having kernel panics and my buddy let me borrow his 2015. So it has been really fast and faster than those two. I only went with 8 gig of RAM at this point, but I am planning to upgrade it myself, so hopefully I'll do that in the near future, and I might even do a video out of that. We'll see how that goes. Another reason I got the Mac Mini is a wonderful lady in our church was getting rid of this sweet Apple Thunderbolt display, and she was looking just for someone to take it. She didn't want any money for it. So I said, yes, please, absolutely. The only thing I had to do was get one of the Thunderbolt adapters, and that was it. And basically I was off and running. So that was a blessing. Good Lord provided a monitor for me there. So for me at that point, that was a no-brainer. Make sure to subscribe and keep up with all the videos. Thanks guys, I really appreciate it, and God bless.